Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics aligned before converting value. Start now. First, confirm your Apple ID country matches the country used for Steam wallet purchases because regional rules block transfers. Next, redeem the Apple gift card into your Apple account balance. Make sure funds show available. Once done, install and sign into the Steam client on a Mac or PC. You're preparing payment sources and the destination account simultaneously, which prevents regional or redemption errors. Now you convert Apple balance into something exchangeable. You'll buy a transferable digital good with your Apple balance that you can legally resell or gift. For example, buy an in-app currency bundle or app that offers gift codes or cross-platform keys. Check terms first. Once purchased, obtain any transferable code or contact the seller for a key. This step exists because Apple gift cards cannot be directly spent on Steam. You're creating an asset to bridge platforms. Finish by converting that transferable asset into Steam funds. Sell or trade the key on a reputable marketplace or to a trusted contact for PayPal, cryptocurrency, or a Steam wallet code. Make sure to factor fees and wait for confirmed payment. Once you have a Steam wallet code or receive funds through an accepted payment method, redeem it in Steam or purchase Steam wallet codes to add funds. If anything goes wrong, check transaction, receipts, and payment confirmations first, then contact the marketplace support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.